Hello everyone. In our tutorial today, I am going to show you how to refund items on Roblox. And is it possible? Well, generally speaking, they are not they are unable to provide a return for goods acquired during an encounter. To prevent unintentional purchases, customers or you must click on a confirmation box before making any Roblox transactions. Moreover, many experiences offer a confirmation window when using their inexperienced currency. So it only means that you cannot manually refund items or products that you personally purchase can't be manually refunded. Refunds are only given by Roblox if the product you purchase is removed by moderation or deleted. Okay? So how are you going to appeal a request once this item has been removed? All you have to do is simply check your messages and they will just message you right away once this item or once you cannot use this product or item anymore. So again, you just have to go to your messages and probably you will see this message from Roblox. Your account is eligible for Roblox credit for the items you purchase that can no longer be worn by your avatar. To receive the credit, please review and accept the terms of the agreement. We apologize for any inconvenience. So all you have to do is to tap this agreement right here, and then you can now see or read the following and then proceed to I agree. And then once you tap this I agree, then you will be notified that you have submitted a request. So your request has been submitted. Please note that the requested return of Robux may take a day or two to process. Please check your account after a few days. And then that's it. You must wait till they refund you from the item that you cannot longer use. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.